friends? Jerome Nettles from ERA Town and Campus Realty in Starkville. It's right after Christmas. Everybody has spent their down payment money. There's not a lot of home selling going on right now, so we figured what better time of the year to get to know some of our friends and neighbors in downtown Starkville.
Well, come on in.
I'm Jerome Nettles. Tell me your name.
I'm John Peeples.
John Peeples. Where are you from, John?
I'm from right here, bud.
Born and raised.
Born and raised, Starkville, Mississippi.
Have you always been a part of Starkville Cafe?
I've always been, even when I was little.
You were just a
Even when I
customer
was
then,
little,
huh?
I'd ride my bicycle up here from when I was 6th grade. Ride a bicycle, sit at that counter.
Well, how long have you been the owner of Starkville Cafe?
I've never been the owner. I'm the caretaker.
The caretaker.
How can you own something
What's
that's
the
been here longer than me?
Well, that's a good point.
So I'm the caretaker
So you're the caretaker until you pass the baton.
until I pass the baton.
How long have you been the caretaker?
About 10 years.
10 years. That's
10 years.
10 long years or 10 short years?
It seems like it was yesterday.
Seems like it. Well, that's 10 short years then. Well, that's good to know. What did you do in your prior life before you were the caretaker of Starkville Cafe?
Man, it was nothing like this. I did not realize that I was missing all the fun. I had a great corporate career and, chased ducks and chased termites and did that kind of stuff. And who knows? It's funny how life picks you. It picked me to be right here.
So Chase Ducks, is that where the Baby Ducks Catering comes from?
That's where baby ducks come from.
Is Baby Ducks Catering, is that part of Starkville Cafe?
Well, I guess I think it's just, it's part of who we are.
Gotcha.
Part of who we are.
So
It's an attitude.
Tell me about Starkville Cafe. Starkville Cafe is a Main Street staple. It's been here for years and years.
Hell yeah,
But
man.
tell me about Starkville Cafe. What is Starkville Cafe to you?
Starkville Cafe to me is probably, Starkville Cafe is the old place in town where food and good sweet tea come together to create that little social and camaraderie environment, and that's what it is. It's just it's the old cafe. It's the old school. It's the old style.
They say
it's a happy place.
the old adage, if these walls could talk.
This is a conservative happy place.
Conservative happy
It's a
place.
conservative happy place.
Laid back, but
That's it.
keep it quiet.
That's right.
So I look around the restaurant and I see people of all walks of life. I see college kids in here that are probably taking a break from studying. I see retirees and some regulars and everything else. This is like a melting pot.
It is. It is.
Has it always been that
It's
way?
their
I mean,
restaurant. If you come in this restaurant, this is your place. It's never the intention for somebody to have a bad time. This is their place. That's what we look at. It's your place. You come in here. Our job is to try to keep it. We want to keep the food good. That helps. But so if you keep the food good, the people keep coming in, and this is their place. That's why I'm the caretaker.
So if there's one thing that you have to say to somebody that has never stepped foot in Starkville Cafe, what's that one thing?
Don't come in here with a white tablecloth attitude.
There you go. John, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for talking to us about Starkville Cafe. It's a lot of fun.
That's right.